So we can do a better job with shared styles across the layers that you're currently looking at. Starting with the font color, you'll notice that it's used across different cases. However, the colors are disconnected. So if we were to change the title to something like a color like a black, you'd probably expect all the other text colors to change as well. And this is a bit of an arduous process because, again, they're all disconnected. So we'll have to go through this manually and do that. But there's a better way of changing sort of these shared colors, and that's through global variables. And the way we go about doing that is by deselecting all the layers so that this UI pops up. And we'll go ahead and add a variable. We'll call it gray1, and then we'll give it a value of black, or sort of black. And then we'll define that on our to-dos title, and then we'll define that on our add label, and then for each of the to-do items. So now we have text nodes that share the same color variable. And so if we were to change this to something like red, whoops, I need to go change that. Something like red, then you'll notice that all the text nodes change as well. And this is actually kind of nice because the colors are reusable across different kinds of style properties. So for instance, if we want to change or attach this color to, say, the border color of this text input, we can easily do that. So change that, and then we'll change the border color to dark solid 1 pixels. So now we have our border defined on these elements, and again, if we were to change this, you'll notice that all that sort of changes. So we'll make it a little bit funky. I kind of like green. We'll make this a little bit readable. And then for this case, we'll make the left, make this 0 pixels. So now we have our global variables. We can also sort of define mixins as well, but we'll go ahead and do that in the next video.